All right, so I'm about to show you what the room looks like at the Cosmopolitan Hotel in Las Vegas. This is called the Wraparound Suite. This is one of our favorite rooms here in Las Vegas and at this hotel. It is 1,200 square feet. This is the closet. You come down, you have this nice hallway to a guest bathroom, which also has a shower, step-in shower too, which is really nice. And then you come out and there is a little kitchen area, and there are snacks and a refrigerator and pretty much everything you need. A little dining area and a couch area, so you could actually fit a lot more than just 2 people in this room. And then when you step out here, you get an amazing view of the whole Las Vegas Strip. So beautiful. And this room is actually called the Wraparound Suite because the balcony actually wraps around the entire room. This is also one of the very few rooms in Las Vegas that even have a balcony. And then there's more doors where you can enter in. And there's another door over here that enters into the bedroom. You have a nice sized king bed, a seating area, a television, and this beautiful bathroom with a walk-in shower, his and her sink, nice sized tub, and the toilet is over there. Over here is the closet. Good sized closet, comes with ropes, and then you come out and you are back in the living room area. So again, this is called the Wraparound Suite at the Cosmopolitan Hotel in Las Vegas.